Hi, this is Shanzai.com, and we're here at Computex checking out even more tablets, and we're visiting TCB International, and we're speaking with Stanley here, who's going to tell us a little bit about the tablet that he's got. He's got 4 tablets on display that we're looking at here. All of them have 4 different processors, 2 different operating systems. Stanley, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Okay, so this is our MID system, MID product. Here you are seeing is by the WinC system, or it's by Samsung chip, and this one is the Android system. It's by Tel chip, and this one is by Rock chip, and it is is also running Android. And this one is a entry level for MID. It's a price lower, and it can be if you will request only video, music, or some Google, something on internet. This is enough. But if you want to do some more powerful job, you better to choose the Samsung.
What's this one you've got, like an iPad-like design here?
Yeah, this is like
very similar.
Very similar.
Inspired by.
We buy the tuning in the market.
Oh, okay.
Then we just build PCB by ourselves.
All right, and now I have a question for you. Most of your products, except for this one, seem to be 7-inch form factor. Is that what you guys decided? I mean, Apple wants to have a 10.1-inch screen. Why do you guys think 7-inch screen is good for your products?
I have using an iPad in market, but I think it's way too heavy.
Me too.
Yeah, I think if you hold it for over hours, I think it just like hold a baby over an hour. But if you want to put the iPad in the pocket, for this too big. But if you put it at 7-inch, it is more than the 10-inch, and it is for this our major one. It can be running over around 10 hours.
For a lot of the companies as well, I think the LCD panel pricing is better for 7-inch also, right? Of course.
Yes, of course.
So that can make better priced products.
Yeah, yes, and also the iPad is using the multi-touch. But right now, all of our products is using the resistive type. So it means that you cannot be touched by finger. Cannot be like an iPhone.
Right.
But you have to push more harder.
Right.
Yeah.
So another question for you. Speaking of the software and what's running on the device, you said it's running Android operating system. What's the operating system version?
It's a 1.6 right now, but we will release our next version 2.1 at the end of this month.
So you're already making the step move on to 2.1.
Yes.
Okay, and you'll be doing that on the Rock chip.
Yes.
Chip. All right, and will you do that on any of the other processors?
Yeah, of course. We are also will put Android on everyone, because WinC have of course, right now most of our software or driver supporting WinC in the market. This is because Android came out I think maybe around 5 to 10 years, but Android only just in the past 2 years. So not so many software driver can supporting Android. So right now that's why we are strongly push WinC right now. But at the Q3 or Q4, the Android will be the main trend. So we already heard about the Android 2.2 is a killer OS. Everything is smoothly running, is very fast. So that's why we will change all of them into Android.
And what about application stores? I think that one of the things about Android is people want to be able to connect to the App Store. That's been a bit of a problem for